Next day, a fallen tree was blocking our way, and the chainsaw didn't work. Neither did this.
I don't know. Is that Jack?
Okay. Somehow, getting stuck together is how we made friends. And they have another campsite to show us. Our neighbor is leaving too. So we become a group off-roading. You want a hammer?
3 fall down.
They said a tree fall down, so my husband go to help. Hi.
Yeah, it's really bad over there. Really bad.
Really bad?
Alright, big trees.
Oh, it's really a big tree. Today when we pass through this road, it's nothing here.
Okay, there we are.
Well, okay, let's roll this one. Oh, the chain's fucked, eh? Look, turn off, take off the battery, take off the battery.
It's not even be touching the ground.
They are fixing the chainsaw. A long way to go.
These two that we have to get over.
They are preparing to winch it off.
Hey, T, go that way. Front end that way. All right, driver. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, do that. Go.
Teamwork.
So like I said, every time
release.
off-roading you need a teammate.
Yeah.
This one.
1, 2, 3, just roll it. Okay, yeah. Keep going, keep going. Yep, keep going, keep going. Keep going, it will pull over. Two down.
We need to use this.
Sean's an expert woodsman. I look here. That one you don't have to hold it. All right, someone switch out. Someone switch out.
Take turns, there, line up, let's go. This one's stuck in the
Hold on, have you done anything? No, hasn't done anything. A little more? Let's go.
I'm site safety manager. Please share the one.
Good.
Maybe we need to put that on the other side, I
That's
think.
why we need a safety jacket. Okay. No. Do you know why? This one is moving up and it's still binding it. Yeah, it's not cracking.
Keep jacking into splits.
Hold the jack so it doesn't pop this way.
Yeah, make sure if that jack splits, pops.
Okay, no more. If he continues, who knows what's going to happen here.
Yeah. I don't know. I have no idea.
Well, if you put it back down, won't it like?
You can't. You got to kick it out until you get it out.
You want me to just
Winch from there?
hook the line and just winch?
The chainsaw's dead. You can't.
Yeah,
you can't.
The bar. Someone went too crazy on it. You want me to just winch?
That's all we can do, right?
That's all we can do?
Yeah.
You want to let that go?
Yeah, let that go.
Let it go.
You can't.
You have to move it.
Yeah, let it.
It's
Okay,
under
so
load.
let me winch it. Everyone get out of the way and then just winch it.
That's right.
All right, yeah, right from there. That's it.
Stop!
Okay, wait,
Stop!
jack
Stop.
out. Okay, yeah, I will
Get
take it.
the saw if you
Okay,
can.
no problem. I'll take it.
Get the saw if you can.
All right, the saw stays.
All right, when you're ready.
Did we help?
A little bit. At least the farm jet.
1%.
Okay.
Should we just grab the lower part?
No, it's still stuck. You still need to continue chopping.
Yeah, I was gonna say let's keep winching at it.
Almost there.
Careful. Just hold off to the side.
Give it some gas. Gas, gas. Nice. Watch, this one's gonna
Watch
swing.
out.
Rick, out of there. Okay, release. I gotta move it. Keep going. All right, stop.
Done.
One and done.
One motherfucker drink. Wow.
So here we go. Explore the trail that way, so that we are not the first one to come across these broken trees. Having a teammate is always a good idea.
Yeah, it's very important. The first one is always the best modified one. That is a winch for the front car.
Yes.
And you need to be prepared for lots of tools to be used.
Yeah. Even they don't have a high level drag, and sometimes they may miss some stuff, and we of course missing every stuff.
Sure.
You can see our saw versus their saw and axe is another level. We are just a baby. Firstborn baby with 1 month experience. So doing it solo is really a crazy thing. Okay, narrow tunnel is not a problem anymore. We're just going fast. Scratch, never mind. It is highly concentrated, like playing a wally. So this become piece of cake.
I won't call the mother nature a piece of cake. It's always slapping your face.
Most difficult part in this trail. Our turn.
上高好高啊！仲繼續高啊，仲繼續高啊！跟住啦，開始轉啦！唔得，你而家唔好停住啊！你真係呢度講笑我雞，你要盡量上去啊，盡量上去啊！開始轉啦，開始轉啦！慢慢上，加油！加油！OK。
Oh, we are back.
Thank you. Wow. Yes.
We are joining them to explore nearby the Lake Superior. Yeah. We got some stuff like fireworks, ice cream, and there we go. So we are heading to nowhere.
There's no coordinate.
Yeah, this is the adventure, real adventure. First spot, we're going to explore. First spot, failed. Camping allowed, in short. This spot is great, but it's already occupied by someone. And wow, there is lots. Here is like a official campsite, yeah. another lake shore. Okay, so we are returning. Those guys may be already occupying all space.
It's not a secret spot, maybe.
Maybe. Not secret enough. And the road is not tough enough, that's why many people can come. Like a big RV. He is gonna explore that way, and I think they are separate into freeway. Now we split into two groups. 3 trucks go to Scout and we stay behind as a backup plan. This is our backup spot and only fit 2 cars. Here is the way down the Rocky Beach and it's near Lake Superior. He found a great spot 20 minutes away, but we have no signal here, so he came back to show us the way. We have a really nice talk with our new friend and we are heading to a beachside crawler. So we need the traction board. To level our defender.
At least we are using it with not emergency.
So we can sleep in a horizontal platform. We place 2 traction boards at the front and then dig deeper at the rear tires. Finally, we found a great spot that no bugs, strong wind, just chill there.
So we are now cooking our dinner. Finally, no bugs.
Yeah.
Very nice food. It's easy dinner. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You bring me down for all to see, then switch it up and treat me right. You promise sun, but you bring rain. I still love what you do to me.
Sometimes we need a sleeping bag in summer.
Yeah, so cold outside.
Cheers.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night on the street lamp.
We are leaving this beautiful place. After a little bit clean up in a provincial park, we are heading back to explore Homeland.
Hopefully there are no one occupied. Because
Yeah.
today is Saturday.
We are coming back for the honey. It tastes so good. Still the same one?
Yeah. Hi. And we're coming back again.
Yeah, you come back.
Grab a pizza and continue our journey. Lunchtime.
Lazy combination. Like cafe coffee.
And pizza.
Welcome me into the fold.
So we are here, the spot that our new friend told us.
Yeah.
You need a 4L.
Yeah, because it's snowing. As slow as I can.
Quite a beautiful spot.
It's just amazing, man.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's near roadside, but you still need a 4x4.
True. So here is a kind of official Cronan, and it's a free lakeside campsite. Very easy access to the water. And there's an anchor for canoeing for someone who brings their own canoe. But be careful of this anchor. If you kick this anchor, you can just roll into the water. The scenes here is a little bit close to the highway. Yeah, you can still hear some truck sound, but it's not a big deal because it's free and nice view. You see the lake? Wow, amazing. My God, you can even fishing. Very nice, right?
Yeah. It's our last day.
Yeah. I haven't seen a position like this before. Usually it's just standing or sitting on the branch. Wow. Oh, he ran away. This lakeside view is amazing.
Today is Sunday. Many people going back. So to avoid the traffic, we have to leave earlier. So I do a tidy up. You brew the coffee.
Okay, no problem.
Good plan. Let's start.
That's
We have to pick those trash away. Keeping the place clean is camper responsibility.
yeah.
is come to the end of our journey. I have a redefinition of overlanding. At first, I think overlanding is just about exploring, adventure, and touring around the nature. But the reality is, we go to Crownland, we meet up some people, we become friends, and sometimes we solve problems together. That's feel very fruitful.
Yeah.
In this journey, I really feel we are escaping from the urban city, exploring around the nature, and really feel alive.
Yes.
And I will always remember this journey. It's so impressive and amazing.
For me, I enjoy a lot of this journey and we meet up some people. The Mother Nature teaches us always being humble. You don't know what's happened next. It is just a lesson without money. So be prepared for yourself and tools and always enjoy your journey. Even face some problem, you will always find way to solve it.
Yes, that's the adventure part. I love it so much.
Yeah. And after this journey, I found that I'm never satisfied for this setting.
So it's time to change.